Israeli strikes have killed at least 40 Palestinians and injured 224 more in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, fighting between Israeli forces and Palestinian fighters continued in Gaza City's Shujaiya neighborhood. The United Nations Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, warned of increasingly desperate conditions for displaced civilians amid soaring temperatures. A senior Hamas official said there has been no progress in ceasefire talks, but the Palestinian group remains ready to deal positively with any proposal that includes a permanent ceasefire. The Arab League, the European Union, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar slams Israel's decision to legalize 5 settlements as an Israeli minister promised to bring 1 million new settlers into the occupied West Bank.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।